Today, I'm presenting the top foods that naturally restored my energy and vitality. Please follow me as I demonstrate how simple diet adjustments can improve your mood without pills or gimmicks. Let's get one thing clear. Testosterone isn't about muscle. It's the hormone that drives so many essential processes in a man's body. From maintaining energy levels, regulating mood, boosting your libido, and even keeping your muscles and bones strong, testosterone plays a vital role in how we feel and function daily. When we're younger, we have it in abundance. But as we hit 40, things begin to change. Since turning 40, I've felt more fatigued, less driven, and less like myself. However, as I read and studied, I learned my experience was widespread. In your 30s and 40s, testosterone levels naturally fall by 1% per year. Some of us experience stronger affects. Testosterone goes beyond strength and activity. It affects your mood, focus, and daily motivation. Everything becomes tougher when it drops, getting up for the gym, working, and spending time with family. It's like a gradual burn that you don't notice until you're not performing well. This is why healthy testosterone levels are so important, especially as we age. Good news, you don't need medications or injections to normalize your levels. I learned from my own experience that nutrition may affect hormone levels, and modest dietary changes can restore equilibrium. I'll be honest, when I first started feeling the effects of low testosterone, I thought I'd need some drastic measures to fix it. Supplements, hormone therapy, even some miracle drug that I'd have to rely on for the rest of my life. But I didn't want to go down that path. I was looking for something more natural, something I could sustain without a prescription or complicated regimen. When I was exhausted and frustrated, I determined to improve my nutrition. Does eating affect my mood? We've all heard you are what you eat, right? I started investigating natural testosterone boosting and hormone balancing foods. And what I found shocked me. Our bodies are built to flourish on complete natural meals, especially for testosterone production. I might significantly affect my testosterone levels by changing my diet. Zinc, healthy fats, and vitamins in the correct diets can naturally enhance testosterone, develop muscle, and improve mood and vitality. Now, let's get into the good stuff. The foods that made all the difference for me. These everyday foods can be readily added to your diet. They include necessary minerals for testosterone production and boost energy and focus. Top 5 foods that helped me most. Eggs, the testosterone powerhouse. When I first added eggs to my diet, I wasn't expecting immediate results. But after a few weeks, I started to notice minor changes. My energy levels were better, my mood was more stable, and I felt more alert throughout the day. Eggs are packed with antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation in the body, a key factor in supporting hormone balance. They're also rich in vitamin D, which plays a huge role in testosterone production. Avocados, the healthy fat boost. Avocados became my go-to for snacking and adding to meals. What makes them so powerful is their healthy fat content, something that's essential for hormone production. When your body has enough good fats, it can produce testosterone more efficiently. I noticed that after consistently eating avocados, my recovery time after workouts improved, and I felt less drained overall. Plus, they're versatile, so I could add them to salads, smoothies, or just eat them on their own. Bananas, nutrient-dense and packed with benefits. This one surprised me. Bananas are a common food, but they're packed with nutrients that most of us overlook. They're rich in vitamins B6 and potassium, both of which are crucial for testosterone production. I started adding bananas to my breakfast routine, and over time, I could feel my strength and endurance increasing. They're also a wonderful way to stay full and avoid unhealthy cravings, which helps with weight management, a key factor in maintaining testosterone levels. Berries, the super antioxidant. Adding berries to my diet was a game changer. They're loaded with antioxidants, which not only help fight oxidative stress, but also improve blood flow. Two factors that play a huge role in testosterone production. After incorporating berries into my meals, I noticed a significant improvement in my overall stamina, both in the gym and in everyday tasks. Plus, they're delicious and easy to incorporate into a variety of dishes. Pineapple, clinically proven testosterone support. Pineapple has been studied for its ability to naturally support testosterone production, and after adding it to my diet, I saw actual results. It's rich in enzymes like bromelain that aid digestion and help your body absorb essential nutrients more effectively. After a few months of including pineapple in my meals, I noticed an increase in energy, muscle mass, and even improved mental clarity. It's been a staple in my routine ever since. Why do these foods work? It's one thing to hear personal experience, but I wanted science to back my work. After researching, I found that each of these foods has minerals needed for testosterone production and hormone wellness. Start with zinc and magnesium. These minerals are abundant in some of the foods I listed and are essential for testosterone production. Studies reveal that zinc-consuming guys have higher testosterone levels. However, magnesium regulates hormones and supports muscle function. They form a stable foundation for healthy testosterone levels, especially as we age. Vitamin D is linked to testosterone. Vitamin D deficiency can lower testosterone production. Hence, vitamin D-rich meals are important. Omega-3 fatty acids are also essential. Certain foods include hormone-producing fats. Your body synthesizes testosterone from cholesterol. Therefore, it needs healthy fats to create enough. Finally, antioxidants. Oxidative stress increases with aging, affecting testosterone production. Antioxidant-rich foods minimize oxidative stress, improving biological function. The real proof of any change is in how you feel over time. Boosting testosterone naturally takes time, but after eating these meals regularly, I noticed actual beneficial effects. Most noticeable was my energy level boost. Before these food adjustments, I was tired by mid-afternoon and had trouble focusing. A few weeks later, the fog dissipated. I felt awake, energized, and ready for the day. Also changed was my strength and recovery. Consuming these items consistently reduced my post-workout soreness and muscle recovery time. My emotions were more balanced. Before these changes, I was often irritated or depressed for no reason because testosterone affects mood. I felt more emotionally stable after a few months on this diet. I became happier and more motivated as my mood stabilized. While adding testosterone-boosting foods to my diet made an enormous difference, I discovered foods and habits that lowered my testosterone. One of my biggest early blunders was eating too much processed food. Processed foods contain fats, carbohydrates, and preservatives that cause inflammation and hormone abnormalities. Not watching my sugar consumption was another mistake. Too much sugar raises insulin, which lowers testosterone. Reduced sugary snacks and processed carbs helped me stay balanced. Alcohol was another component I cut. Regular alcohol use lowers testosterone levels. After cutting back on alcohol, I felt better balanced emotionally and physically. Finally, trans fats and soy products can lower testosterone production, so I cut these. Avoiding these foods helped me sustain my diet improvement. When I first started making changes to my diet, I thought it would be difficult. But incorporating these foods into my daily routine was simple. Here are some practical tips. Start small and be consistent. Add one testosterone-boosting food to your diet at a time, then build from there. Plan your meals around these foods. Meal planning helped me ensure that I was consistently eating the right foods without too much effort. Snack smarter. Replace unhealthy snacks with testosterone-friendly alternatives like nuts and seeds. Incorporate easy recipes. Smoothies and simple meals with these foods helped me stay on track without spending too much time in the kitchen. Pair your diet with exercise. Weightlifting and resistance training boost testosterone even more, especially when paired with a healthy diet. It is time for you to act now that you are aware of the significant component that food plays in the process of increasing testosterone levels. Small daily adjustments lead to increased health and vitality. These modifications can boost energy, strength, and confidence in over 40s. Start by eating a testosterone-boosting item today and grow from there. These modest modifications will become habits that boost energy, focus, and well-being. Love hearing from you. Say which foods you'll try first or share your experiences in the comments below. Let's create a community of over 40 males who manage their health meal by meal. For more natural testosterone increase and healthy lifestyle advice, subscribe.